On Sunday the 13th of February 2022, New Zealand is blasted with heavy rain and 150 km/h winds by Cyclone Dovi, and hits Wellington, Auckland and across North Island. Auckland Harbour Bridge closed before reopening as wind gusts hit 109 km/h and flooding, slips force homes to be evacuated and roads to be closed in Wellington. And the worst point this afternoon, about 50,000 customers were without power for a brief time. Later this afternoon the number had fallen to about 14,000. Air New Zealand cancels at least 100 flights due to the cyclone. Several state highways closed around the country. Strict weather warnings are in place for many parts of the North Island and the upper half of the South Island. People advised to stay home.